I'm sitting here to apologize to every life that was affected when we were going through a family brother. My brother went live and mentioned names, which I don't know where he got the connections of all names that he dragged into the family drama. And I just want to apologize to great prophets like Kusi Boateng, Prophet Makandiwa, Prophet Hubert Angel, Prophet Magaya, great Pastor Chris, any other names that was dragged into this family drama, and the idiosyncratic Nadia Nakai. I know we met once or twice, we don't talk, but I know the effect has come to what you do, and you've been affected, and people like Madam Boss, many people be reaching you for answers. I'm here to say I disqualify everything that my brother said about prophets, about pastors, about the musician, about the Nadia Nakai music and her connection with me. I do not know such. And things that were spoken about Madam Boss or any other ladies that he dragged into this drama. I am so sorry on behalf of my family, to every life that was affected. I apologize, and I'm going to do all that I can with all the power I have to make sure the mess has been cleaned on internet and everywhere around the world. I am saying this story is over now. We have come to the conclusion, and I am so sorry to every name that was dragged into this. I love you with the love of Jesus Christ, and may God bless everybody watching. God bless you. Amen. God bless everybody watching. This is Prophet Passion, as you can see. I'm sitting here to apologize to every life that was affected when we were going through a family brother. My brother went live and mentioned names, which I don't know where he got the connections of all names that he dragged